Distinguished Senate President and distinguished members, request for confirmation of ministerial nominees. In compliance with the provision of Section 147 sub 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, I am pleased to forward to the Senate 3 nominees: Dr. Jamila Bio Ibrahim, Balarebe Abbas Lawal, and Mr. Ayodele Olawande for confirmation as ministers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. While I hope that this request will receive the usual expeditious consideration of the Senate, please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators, the assurances of my highest regards.
The Senate amend Rule 3, sub 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to clearly state that a senator vying for the office of the President of Senate and Deputy President of Senate must have served at least one term in the Senate as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.